Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saumya and you are watching another episode of Blending Drama with BYB. And today we are going to discuss very important topic, and that is we all want to look cute on every picture and want to make digital presence, right? So in order to make Insta-worthy content, I got few hacks for you to look cute in every picture on Instagram. And these are very inexpensive and it's super easy, trust me. So without any further delay, just jump to the video. So first things first, face expressions, and trust me, it's very important because it can break the ice. So you can go for a safe option, like you can smile, and everybody has their style of smile. Like a smirk can do wonders for somebody and for somebody it doesn't. So don't worry, just sit in front of the camera and practice for that perfect smile. And it was the safest option. If you like to experiment, then you can go for a pouty face. I mean, I know it's so trendy, but I'm not talking about that pouty face. You can just pout a little, like just lift your tongue or like that, and you can search on web. So you can find multiple expressions on a web which look cute, and you just have to practice. And if you want a calm look, then you can close your eyes and just feel relaxed, and trust me, it's very cute. Second up, we have props, and trust me, it adds so much character to the picture. So you can go for a teddy bear, and it always works, right? It's so cute. And if you don't have it, or you want to experiment more, then you can make your own props, and it's so inexpensive, right? So in order to do that, I actually made a candy, and I made a very pathetic looking candy. So my photographer had to change with another candy, and he did pretty good job in editing. So if you are like me, then you can tweak a little in editing. Third thing, we have carry cute accessories, and trust me, it can bring out the cuteness in you. And it can be anything cute, sling bag, hair accessories, or anything, because it's so inexpensive and can be found anywhere. And if you want to experiment, or you are like me, then you can go for a cute umbrella. You can find anywhere. I got that from my brother's because he's a cute one and a little one, so I took that from him. Make use of easily available things like umbrella, sling bag, flowers, chips, anything you found and anything you think it's cute. So you can make use of that. So the last thing we have, be creative and experimental, because don't worry if you don't find anything that suits you, because if you practice with time, you will definitely find a perfect pose, expression and everything that suits you. So don't stick to one thing, keep on trying. Like I tried to create this doggy filter and people really liked on my Instagram. So be creative on that note, because experiment is everything, right? So these are all my tips for you. I hope you find them useful, and moreover, I have a website and I've posted the same blog on that. And if you forget something, so you can just really check that blog, and it's a really quick summary of this video, and I hope this helps. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe because it keeps me motivated. Bye.